Folks, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a hexagon when given the distance across the flats. So if you know the distance across the flats of a hexagon, the first thing you do is you draw a circle equal in diameter to the distance across the flat. So in this case, let's draw a hexagon which has a flat distance of 5 centimeters. In this case, we'll draw a circle of diameter 5 centimeters or a circle of radius 2.5 centimeters. So that is what I'm doing now. So the radius of this circle is 2.5 centimeters. Now, having done that, the next step is to draw an extended vertical diameter AB as shown. So what we need to do, if you have a T-square, you make use of a T-square. If you don't, you can use your ruler. So I use a combination of a ruler and a set square. From just draw a horizontal diameter first. So let's draw a horizontal diameter. So, and just in case you don't know, any horizontal diameter is a diameter that goes from left to right, while a vertical diameter is a diameter that goes from top to bottom or bottom to top. Now in this case, you are going to draw a line parallel to this horizontal diameter. So I'll draw a line. Sorry, I will take it downwards and then replace my ruler. And now I can now draw a vertical diameter. So this vertical left, and then we'll go to the right to draw a vertical diameter. So rightwards we have vertical diameter. Now the next step is to draw the four sides as shown with the set square to touch the circumference of the circle. So in this case, what you are going to do is you are going to set up a set square and use that set square to touch the sides of the circle. So in this case, let's that set square is going to be a 30-degree set square. So in this case, using a 30-degree set square, first of all I will need to draw the line. So I need to transfer it downwards. So if you want to mark a parallel line, all you need to do, put the side of your set square on that line, put your ruler beside it, and then take it down. Then remove that ruler and then replace the ruler, put the ruler below it. So you can use any ruler below. So now the essence of this is that the direction of this edge of this ruler is parallel to the direction of the horizontal. That is how to do that. Now the reason for that is that I want to make use of the big set square. So using that, I would adjust the set square till it touches the circle. So I'm using the 30-degree side. So the reason for that is that the interior angle is supposed to be 60 degrees. So that's why the exterior is 30 degrees. So I'll draw a line. Then I'll do that same thing. So if I can also do that upwards by moving the set square slightly. So do that upwards. Then I can now turn it over now to do in the on the left and upwards. So on the left, I will shift the set square till it touches the circle. Then I'll draw a line, a finish line, construction line. Then I'll shift it again till the sides move upwards. So now that the side has moved upwards, I'll draw them down. So at the end of the day, you can see what we have here. So you can see that we have these 6 segments on the circumference, touching the circumference. But the last step is for you to thicken these segments. So it will give us a hexagon. So thicken the parallel sides. Thickening the parallel sides. So thicken this. You can thicken in any order, but it's often time saving to thicken parallel directions. So you don't need to move your ruler too much. So you can notice that when I'm taking this downwards one, then I'll be taking the one parallel to it next. So, but you can take it in any order, depends. This is just one technique I adopted to save time when drawing. So this is how to draw a hexagon when given the distance across the flat. So just in case you don't know, this is the distance across the flat. So from this line, I decide to use dashes so as to differentiate it from the other lines. So this is the distance across the flats.